Good morning, children. This is Venugopal for Little Hearts Publications with the Social Studies Book 1, Lesson number 6, Clothes We Wear. In the previous lesson, we discussed food we eat. And another important daily need or basic needs of human beings, of we people, are clothes. See, clothes give beauty to our body. We wear clothes to cover our body, to make us look attractive. We wear clothes to cover our body. We all know that. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Now, for example, there is a lot of sunlight, sun heat. Then we wear light cotton clothes. That means clothes protect us from heat. Some kind of clothes protect us from cold weather. Now this is cold season. This is winter season we are entering now. And in winter season we wear woolen clothes, sweaters, okay, which are made from wool. And of course we wear raincoats and use gumboots or umbrellas when it is raining. So clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Nowadays, to wear in rainy season, we are getting plastic clothes also. We wear plastic clothes or waterproof clothes when we go out in rain. We need not take umbrella or any other thing. Just we can wear completely waterproof dresses also are available now. So we can say that clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes also protect us from dust. Suppose if we don't wear clothes, all the dust around will fall on our body only. That is why clothes protect us from dust also. There is a lot of dust around us whenever we go out and play. Wherever we go, we find a lot of dust there which cannot be seen, but which will be found there on our bodies. That's why we take bath 2 times a day. Clothes make us look pretty. Pretty means what? Handsome or beautiful, attractive. Clothes make us look attractive. Means when we wear attractive clothes, people start looking at us. Because clothes make us look pretty. See, different kinds of clothes, pictures are given there. Children, in page number 35, you can see shorts, gloves, shirt, tie, coat, socks, cap, trousers, t-shirt, skirt, jacket, frock. All these kinds of clothes generally you might have seen all these. Tie you wear because when you go to the school, in the uniform, tie is also a part. Coat is there, trousers means pants. Caps you wear, hats you wear, jackets. Like this, different types of clothes pictures are given. Not only that, we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. With the change in the seasons, how many seasons do we have? Children, do you remember? We learned already in the previous lessons, we have 3 main seasons: summer, rainy and winter season. So, with the changes in the weather, in the seasons, we also change the type of clothes that we wear. Means, we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. For example, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Why? Cotton clothes keep us cool. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because cotton clothes keep us cool. They absorb sweating. They absorb our sweat, so we feel cool. That is why we wear cotton clothes only in summer season. If we wear woolen clothes in summer season, our body starts burning, getting burning sensation. We use a raincoat or an umbrella in rainy season. When it's rainy season, of course, I told you already, we use a raincoat or sometimes umbrella. Or you can see that they're full waterproof dress. We also wear gumboots in rainy season. Gumboots will not make our feet stuck there in the mud. Gumboots help us to walk properly through rain waters. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Why? In winter season it is cool, very cold weather. Climate is very cold. To protect ourselves from cold, we wear woolen clothes, means sweaters. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter season? Because they keep us warm. Just like cotton clothes keep us cool in summer season, woolen clothes keep us warm in winter season. We should always wear clean and neat clothes. Remember this, children, don't wear dirty clothes. You should always wear clean and neat clothes. Regularly washed and ironed clothes only you have to wear. If you wear dirty clothes, you will become sick. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of the lesson. We have to discuss the questions there in the task for summative assessment. First question, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. What do you write the answer there? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Like that we have to write the answer. The first answer like this. We wear clothes to cover our body. Question number 2. What do clothes protect us from? You can directly write that answer. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Question number 3. When do we wear cotton clothes? Why? When? In which season do we wear cotton clothes, children? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Why? For what reason you wear cotton clothes in summer season? Because cotton clothes keep us cool in summer. Question number 4. What do we wear to protect ourselves from rain? To protect ourselves from rain, we use a raincoat or an umbrella, and also we wear gumboots. In B, there are fill in the blanks. You can see some 5 words are given there in the red box. First blank, clothes make us look dash. First blank, what should we write there? Pretty. Clothes make us look pretty. Dash. Number second one, dash clothes keep us warm. Which clothes keep us warm? Woolen clothes keep us warm. In the winter season, we wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes keep us warm. Number 3, we use gumboots in dash season. In which season do we wear gumboots? Rainy season. So, third blank you have to write the word rainy. Number 4, dash protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes. Fourth blank you should write clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Number 5, we wear dash clothes in summer season. Cotton clothes. You have to write cotton in the fifth blank. Okay, in C, write true or false is given there, children. You see, tell me whether they are true or false. Okay. Number 1, clothes make us look ugly. Is it correct? Is it true or false, children? Clothes make us look ugly or clothes make us look attractive? So, first one is false. Say the answer there. F, false you have to write. Number 2, cotton clothes keep us warm. Cotton clothes keep us cool. This is also false. Number 3, we use umbrellas in rainy season. Of course, in rainy season only we use umbrellas. It is true. Number 4, we wear woolen clothes in rainy season. Not at all. We wear woolen clothes in winter season, not rainy season. So, this is false. Number 5, we should always wear clean and neat clothes. This is true. We should always wear clean and neat clothes only. Then you have to match the exercise there. 3 kinds of clothes are given there. One is for summer season, the other one is winter season, the other one is for rainy season. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this lesson. The key for all these exercises will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Thank you.